Hi guys, so today I have another SHEIN haul for you, but I also have ROMWE and Sephora. So I'm going to start with the SHEIN stuff that I got. The first thing that I got were these pair of sandals, and they're pink, they're baby pink, they're super cute. Okay, second thing were these pink heels. They're squared right there, you can tell in the front, and they're not very high, but they're really girly and cute. Okay, next I accidentally ordered two, but these are hair clips, a set of 3, and it comes with a cream colored one, an orangey, and a pink color. My oldest daughter says kind of looks like a little shell. All right, and the next item, pair of sunglasses, 2 pairs of sunglasses. So here is the first pair, cat eye with some diamonds. Try them on. Cute. My daughters are laughing at me. We should pan in on them.
Oh, no.
And then here, I'll open and show you the second pair. These ones, they hate. They find hideous. But I like them. But anyway, moving on. I thought this thing right here I'm about to show you was a choker necklace, but it turns out it's a belt. I guess I didn't read the description very well, but it has a butterfly at the end right here, and it's beaded, and I thought it would be really cute as a choker, but if it was smaller, obviously. But it turns out it's a belt, so maybe I'll use this for a costume one day. Okay, so the next thing is this really cute, everything's gonna be cute obviously, because I picked it out. It's gonna be cute to me. But this butterfly choker. I got these hair clips that, I don't know how many come in here. Does it say? It says when I ordered it, but it has 3 different types of flowers, or 2 different types of flowers, and 1 butterfly, and then this is the other flower type. Came in kind of crunched up and folded, but yeah, this is the package. Next we have these earrings that are kind of purple, and they fade to like a white. They're like ombre almost. But yeah, they'll be really cute. Next is this really cute clear belt. It's pretty cool. This pair of earrings. I can open this packaging. Shoot. Anyway, they're hoop earrings with little butterflies on them. Okay. Also got, this is another one I can't open. These I'm probably gonna return. They were cute on, but I just think that they were cheaply made. So I don't think I'll be keeping them, but they are wide leg pair of overalls, and they just smell like bleach right when you open them. Whew. Although I like the smell of bleach sometimes. Like I love the smell of chlorine. I'm really weird in that sense. But yeah, they're really cute, but I'm not in love with them, so they're gonna go back. Bye bye wide leg jeans. Okay. What else do we have from SHEIN? Okay, a couple more things. So This is a romper. It's like a blue, light blue color, turquoisey. I'm gonna return this too. This was cute on. My daughters liked it, but I'm not in love with it. And it's also wide-legged. It's very wrinkled. And next we have this purple bag. Purple bag. Super cute. Purple purse. And I thought it would be cute with this top that I got. So this is a really cute top. It's really see-through. I tried it on already. And really cute. With the hair clips. Don't know which one. Oh, and I love these. I think this is the last. Nope, 2 more things from SHEIN. I have a mess over here. I have this pink bag. It's so freaking cute and tiny. Then we have my favorite ever. You might find them ridiculous, but whatever. Pink fuzzy sandals for the house. So freaking cute. Okay, now moving on to ROMWE. ROMWE had like a flash sale, so everything was like $5. Sorry, my balcony door is open, but $5 for this at ROMWE. It says SHEIN on it, but I know they're like, they work together, so $5, not bad. Super cute for the beach. We have this really cute $5 gingham swimsuit that we got in a flash sale. And I tried it on today and it's so freaking cute. Here are the bottoms. Got another swimsuit because it's $5. A floral. These are the bottoms. Here is the ruffled top. Another $5 swimsuit. These are the bottoms. This is the top. Stuff out the boob. And the last item from ROMWE is this dress, $5. I haven't tried it on yet, so, but I heard it fits really cute on. I'm sure it'll be fine, but it's got these off the shoulder sleeve things, and it's cinches in the front, off the shoulder, and this is it, baby blue floral dress. And then the last 2 items are from Sephora. Where'd they go? Oh, right here. And I bought the minis because Sephora items tend to be expensive, and this is all I could really afford, and I really wanted to try. I had a gift card, so I really wanted to try the Tatcha silk canvas. And this is supposed to be for smoothing of like pores, and I've had like acne in the past, so I really want to smooth out some of my scars that I have when wearing makeup. And then Clinique Moisture Surge moisturizer. I find this to be the best that works with my skin. I have, like I said, acne, and I had it really, really bad from like age, I don't know, 9 till like 20s, like late 20s, and I'm finally starting to clear up. And this is the only moisturizer that works best for my skin, doesn't make me break out, and yeah, rejuvenates my skin. Thanks for watching. Bye.